Hi all, welcome to the session on new ABAP syntax. In this session, we learn inline declarations. How to declare the data, the time we need to use it. Declaring variables, declaring work area, declaring internal table, and declaring field symbols. To declare a variable, we were using data keyword and the variable name type, data type, and we are using it. In the old way, we are declaring it and then using it. The new way, you can see with the data in the bracket, the variable name, we are not explicitly declaring it. We are declaring it in line, means the same line we are declaring and using it. Similarly, for the work area, when we are doing the work area declaration in the old ways, we are declaring with a particular type and selecting the data into work area. In the new syntax, no need to declare earlier, you can declare inline with the data, add the data. So in the select query, we need to remember when we are using added symbol, okay, you should use across. You can see in all where conditions, I am also using symbol. This is a question being asked. It's called host variable. In the inline declaration, in the select query, if you are using the host variable, you have to use across all the places where the variable is used. In the work area declaration, in the old syntax, we declare, we use. In the new syntax, we declare inline at the time we need to use it. When you are going to move data from one internal table to other, how we are doing it? Suppose we have one internal table I tab. We want to move its contents to another internal table LT tab. What we are doing earlier, we need to declare LT tab before use it. In the new syntax, no need to declare. The time you use it, you declare it. Every time you can see with a new syntax, the number of lines of code are less with the data declarations. Similarly, for field symbols, we are going to, in old ways, we are declaring the field symbol and assigning the values to it. But in the new syntax, at the time we are going to use, we are declaring. You can see loop part I tab assigning the field symbol or earlier declared. Here loop part internal table assigning the field symbol right there. The word keyword field symbol is the different in the declaration. Thank you all.